Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an Ulta haul, and y'all know I haven't done one of these on my channel in a while, so it is long overdue. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys all of the products that I picked up, as well as show you guys the products in action on my face. So everything on the face is from this haul, which I cannot wait to show you guys this look. It's so exciting, and what's really exciting about this video is I've actually partnered with Ulta Beauty in today's video, y'all. Yes, I partnered with Ulta Beauty, and I cannot wait to share my haul with you guys, as well as share this look. This is my New Year's Eve inspired look. You guys know the new year is right around the corner, so I wanted to go for a bold eye and a kind of like a nude lip. But you can do whatever look you want for New Year's Eve. This is just my look that I would love to rock on New Year's Eve. So yeah, super excited, you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up from Ulta, then let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so this is the Olay moisturizer. I've been wanting to try this out for a while now. This is the Total Effects 7-in-1 Anti-Aging. Y'all know I just turned 30. Well, some of you know that I just turned 30. My birthday was, it was a few days back. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but my birthday was on December 9th. I turned 30, and any product that says anti-aging, give it to me. So yeah, I wanted to try this out, and not only is this a moisturizer, this is also a sunscreen. So this does have SPF 30 in it, and I noticed when I pumped it out on my hand, I pumped out a little bit too much. I don't know if you guys are going to see that in clip, but I pumped out a little bit too much. This is gonna go a very long way. So if you use this, I wouldn't even pump out one full pump. I would kind of pump out half of the pump instead of going all the way down. But I did like how it blended out on the face. It does kind of feel thick. So if you're not into those thick feeling moisturizers, you may not like this, but it is pretty thick, and a little bit of this is gonna go a very, very long way. So I did pick that up, and I cannot wait to start using it some more. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed another Ulta brow pencil. This has become my favorite brow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. It's super skinny. It's very similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's just much cheaper than that. But yeah, I went ahead and grabbed another one, and you guys can already tell that I like it because I grabbed another one. I also picked up two of the new Loreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundations. I picked two shades up because I wasn't sure which shade would work for me. And I did go ahead and do a full foundation wear test on this foundation. I think it's gonna already be up, so if it is, I will have it linked down below in my description. But yeah, I picked up the shade 515 and 520. So copper is 515, and then sienna is 520. Sienna was a little bit too dark, too warm, so I didn't even use this one. This one is actually going to go back to Ulta because it's too dark. But this one, I felt like it's actually a good match. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up. And I also grabbed the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Honestly, I didn't know anything about this concealer until some of you guys mentioned it to me in one of my videos. You guys commented down below in the comments asking me if I tried it out, and I was like, what? They have a concealer? So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up. This is in the shade Warm Honey. I also did a mini review on this as well. I don't even know when that video is up. I think it's already up, but if it is already up, I will have it down below in the description for you guys. And usually I would pick up 2 or 3 different shades because I'm not sure if the shade would match me since I was shopping online, but I just went ahead and picked up one, and surprisingly, this shade did work for me. You guys saw it in the clips, but yeah, this is again is in the shade Warm Honey. I feel like I haven't shopped for MAC in a long time. Like, it has been forever ago. So they came out with a few things for their holiday collection, and I wanted to pick up the face compact. This is called the Shiny Pretty Things Face Compact, and this has a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush inside. So far I have been really loving the bronzer. It is like the perfect shade for my skin. Like, it is gorgeous. This one is in the shade Medium Deep. I think they only had 2, so this is the darker one. But yeah, the bronzer in here is beautiful. There's those swatched. But yeah, so far I am enjoying this palette. And then I picked up a new eyeshadow palette, as if I need more, but this is a Morphe palette, and I don't really have any Morphe palettes in my collection. Do I have? Yeah, I don't have any Morphe eyeshadow palettes besides the ones that are in collaboration with Jaclyn Hill, but I don't have any of their eyeshadow palettes because I just feel so overwhelmed with the larger ones. So I wanted to try out a smaller one. This is a new one actually, and I think this is actually only available on Ulta Beauty. I don't think this one is available on the Morphe website, but this is their About Last Night eyeshadow palette. So this has 9 different shadows. Let me show it to you. All right, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Very, very pretty. The shades are gorgeous. You have some shimmers, well, not shimmers, but you have some metallics as well as some mattes. So there's 3 metallics and the rest are mattes in this palette. So the shades that I use for my eyes, I use Showtime in my crease. And then I also use Make Out, which is this shade down here right below Showtime. I just kind of use that to kind of darken up the crease. And then for the lid, I went into the shade Top Shelf, which is so pretty. And then the shade that I used to brighten up the inner corner of the eyes was this one right here, which is called Bottle Service. This is like a lime green. It is so freaking pretty. I'm actually gonna go ahead and swatch some of these shades so you guys can see them, but this palette is really, really nice. So freaking pretty. All right, there are those. And then I swatched the purple one too, which I didn't, ooh, that's pretty. I didn't use the purple on the eyes, but this is just some of the shades swatched. Look how gorgeous. I did not expect this palette to look this pretty in person. Look at that. And the very last thing that I grabbed was this Becca kit. This is the Becca by Chrissy Cravings Glow Kitchen Kit. So it has a liquid lipstick, it has a loose highlighter, as well as a little eyeshadow. This is actually a highlighter and eyeshadow duo. So at the top you have the eyeshadow, which I didn't even use in today's video, but let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Ooh, that's pretty. I'll swatch it right here so you guys can see it. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. And then at the bottom there's like this cream. So this is like a cream highlighter, which I didn't use this one either, but I do want to swatch it for you guys so y'all can see this. Ooh. Ooh. It feels like a cream, but once you apply it on the skin, it doesn't feel as creamy. Like it just, that's interesting. And you know what? I like how the more you blend it, it gets more sheer, but it's still there. Like you can still see it. I like that. Ooh. And then it comes with this loose highlighter. This is the one that I use on my face today. This is called Champagne Sugar. And I like how these have a sweet scent to it. They smell really, really good. And this is more of a bronzy golden highlight. I don't have any room to swatch anything, but you guys will see it in the clip of me applying it on the face. I cannot get over these swatches of the freaking eyeshadow palette. Ooh. And it also comes with a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Red Velvet. Now, I didn't think this would look like this. I thought this was gonna be a little bit darker, but I'm really glad that it looks a little bit lighter because I didn't want anything that's gonna be too dark for this look. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more on the lips. But this is a really pretty everyday color. I thought this was gonna be a little bit darker, but it's perfect. But yeah, that is all that I picked up from Ulta. This completes my New Year's Eve inspired makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I shared anything in this video that you guys have already tried out, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like the product. Let me know if you don't like the product. Also, if there was anything that I shared that you guys are interested in trying out, let me know as well. So let's go ahead and chit chat down below in the comments. But yeah, that is all that I have. Thank you so much to Ulta Beauty for partnering with me in today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs it up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.